What do the Himalayas, the Thar Desert, the Ganges River, and the fast-paced life of Mumbai have in common? They all belong to a single country, India. But here's a thought: just how big is India? And why does its size matter, not just geographically, but economically? From shaping climate and culture to driving trade, transport, and policy, India's size is more than a number. It's a story of diversity, opportunity, and global strategy. Let's unfold it together. India spans a total area of 3.28 million square kilometers. That's just 2.4% of the Earth's land surface. Sounds small, right? But don't be fooled. That tiny slice puts India at number 7 on the list of the world's largest countries, just after Russia, Canada, the USA, China, Brazil, and Australia. This vast spread isn't just about size, it shapes how India builds railways across deserts, ports along its coasts, and manages its huge population and natural resources across diverse terrains. Did you know? India shares its 15,200-kilometer land boundary with 6 countries: China, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, and Myanmar. That's a lot of neighbors. And the coastline? Even longer, 7,516.6 kilometers, including the Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep Islands. These coastlines aren't just scenic, they're strategic. Look at India's shape. It tapers southward, dividing the Indian Ocean into the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. This unique form gives India natural maritime access to Southeast Asia, Africa, and the Middle East, a built-in gateway to global trade. One invisible line makes a very visible difference: the Tropic of Cancer, sitting at 23 degrees 30 minutes north latitude, cuts India almost in half. It runs through 8 states, including Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and West Bengal. Why is it important? Because it divides India into 2 climatic zones: the subtropical north, with hot summers and chilly winters, and the tropical south, with steady warmth and heavier rain. This affects farming, tourism, clothing, even how much electricity we use. So, how does India's large size power its economic strength? For starters, it means access to a rich variety of natural resources: coal and minerals in Jharkhand, tea and oil in Assam, iron ore in Odisha, and fertile plains in Uttar Pradesh and Punjab. More land also means more people, over 1.4 billion. That's a massive domestic market, fueling demand across industries, agriculture, and services. And here's the kicker: India's size allows for region-specific economies: IT in Bangalore, textiles in Surat, maritime trade in Chennai. Big land, bigger opportunities. India stretches about 3,200 kilometers from north to south, from the snowy peaks of Kashmir to the tropical tip of Kanyakumari. With that comes a dramatic shift in climate, culture, and economy. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, the east-to-west extent is around 2,900 kilometers, just a bit shorter. Yet it spans nearly 30 degrees of longitude. So why does it look smaller on the map? That's a trick of projection. But the effect is real. There's a 2-hour sunrise gap between east and west. Still, India runs on one time zone for unity across its vast land. In economics, bigger isn't always better, but for India, size is a strength. It brings diversity, opportunity, and resilience across every sector. India is all at once a trade hub, a cultural beacon, a tech leader, and an agricultural powerhouse. Geography lays the foundation, but it's size that shapes India's economic destiny.